Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Excel 2019 Module 3 End of Module Project 1. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Date calculation. B3 Use the date function to display May 5, 2021. Step 2. Multiplication formula. E5 Multiply the on-hand amount by the wholesale price. Copy the formula to E6. Step 3. Markup calculation. F5 Multiply the wholesale price by the markup amount, L3, using an absolute reference. Copy and paste the formula and number formatting in F6. Step 4. Days in inventory. H5 Subtract the in stock date from the current date, B3, with an absolute reference. Fill the range H6. Step 5. Reorder reminder. I5 Use the if function to display Y, if the amount on hand is less than or equal to 10, else N. Copy to I6. Step 6. Sale indicator. J5 Use the N function to check if reordering is N and days in inventory greater than 40. Copy to J6. Step 7. Garden Club discount. L5 Use the OR function to offer discounts if quality is A or reorder indicator is Y. Copy to L6. Step 8. Count plant types. C18 Use the counta function to count plant types. Step 9. Average on hand. C19 Use the average function for the on-hand amounts. Step 10. Round up retail prices. C20 Combine roundup and average to round the average retail price up to 1 decimal.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.